My name's Mikaela Jade and I'm the founder and CEO of a company called Indigital, which creates augmented and mixed reality storytelling for Aboriginal and Torres Strait Islander communities. Women owning their own businesses and that being exponential is so exciting because we represent 51% of the population and we have markets that have never been designed for us. So having women design things like just anything to do with being a woman is really exciting. The challenges and obstacles that we face as women, I think, first and foremost, are self-confidence. So learning to speak with conviction and backing ourselves in those conversations is something that we need to focus on as women. But also financial blockages for us include being able to attract investment as much as our male counterparts can attract investment. The internet is a complete game changer for Aboriginal communities and Torres Strait Islander communities as well. It enables us to have a global audience for our Indigenous businesses. I have two young girls who are 13 and 9, and having fast internet allows us to shape our work and family life in the way that suits our family and the growing needs of our children. Just because you're in rural or remote Australia does not give you an excuse not to start a global company. Most communities have some form of internet connection, which allows you, firstly, to explore your idea, secondly, to get mentors from anywhere in the world, and thirdly, to establish e-commerce to support the growing customer base that your idea will have. It's not just important in our family lives, but also in our business lives that we listen to the older people in our community. They have a wealth of knowledge and life experience that can really help us shape and grow really powerful businesses. So it's a really great example about why there needs to be more women in technology. When smartwatches were released, they forgot a really important, powerful tool, which is anything to do with femtech. So they can monitor everything that's going on in our body, except they didn't think about things that are important to women, like pregnancy, period tracking, and all the femtech that could be embedded in something like a smartwatch. So we need lady engineers, so they start thinking about those opportunities in the technology sector too. There are a wealth of Indigenous women providing products and services across Australia, and I urge everybody, if you want to buy something or you want a service delivered, jump onto Supply Nation and see if you can find an Indigenous woman who's providing that product or service that you need.